Hello students, welcome to the Commerce World. Last, we have discussed difference between business, profession and employment. Now today we will discuss what is industry and its further classification. Now let me clear you the meaning of industry. Industry refers to economic activities which are connected with conversion of resources into useful goods. Yes, those economic activities which are concerned with conversion of resources into useful goods, where resources are converted into useful goods. It is further categorized into three parts as we have discussed in analytical table as well. It is divided into three parts. One is primary industry, secondary industry, and the third one is tertiary industry. Let me clear you the meaning of primary industry. All those activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Again, extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organism. Those activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources, from where we can extract resources from natural resource. We can extract material from natural resource, for example mining, etc. Reproduction and development of लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को की हेल्प से हम रिप्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ और उनको डेवलप करके उनसे मटेरियल एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री एंड एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग ऑफ जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री हियर. Genetic industry, these industries relate to breeding plants and animal like poultry farms, fish hatchery, etc. Breeding plants and animal for their use in further future reproduction like poultry farms, fish hatchery, etc. Or in another words, engaged in reproduction or multiplication of plants and animal. We are breeding those plants and animal so that reproduction and multiplication can be done for plants as well as animal. Plant nurseries, poultry farms, cattle breeding farms are the example of genetic industry. And the next is extractive industry. Extraction of products from natural resources. Extraction of product from natural resources like from earth and sea. Mining, fishing, agricultural activities, hunting, etc. comes under extractive industries. Products of these industries are either directly consumed or used as raw material for another industry. These kind of industry, whatever the products are produced, extracted from these industries, either used immediately, consumed immediately, or further used in secondary industry as a raw material, or further it will be used as a raw material in secondary industry. I want to quote an example here. For example, sugarcane produced by agricultural activities might be used, might be consumed immediately, or might be used as a raw material for manufacturing sugar, and sugarcane will be used as raw material in secondary industry. I hope meaning of secondary is clear up to some extent, but still we will do its define here. So secondary industry are connected with using which have already been produced at primary stage. Yes, connected with those industries which have already been produced at primary stage to the product good for final consumption, so that to make that product which can be utilized for final consumption or for further processing by industrial units. I am clearing you this point again. Industry is connected with using which have already been produced at primary stage to further produce to make it usable for finally for further processing of industrial units, etc. Now it is classified into two parts. One is construction industry, another is manufacturing industry. Let me clear you the meaning of these industries. Construction industry, simply as a name clears, construction of building, dam, road, bridges, etc. They use products of manufacturing industries and extractive industries. They use product of manufacturing industries and extractive industries to make construction, to do construction of buildings and dam. We need extractive industry material, which we have discussed earlier, right? Or we have to utilize the material which is manufactured in manufacturing industries. So the next point is manufacturing industry, engaged in conversion of raw material into finished goods. Conversion of raw material into finished goods. For example, timber into furniture, cotton into textile. It is further classified into four parts. Let me clear you. Types of manufacturing industries: analytical, synthetical, and processing, and the last one is assembling. Analytical analyzes separation of different elements from same material. From one same material, so many different materials are analyzed, separated. For example, oil refinery. As we extract oil, crude oil from with the help of mining activities. So from that crude oil, so many separations, analysis done to make it pure oil. Next is synthetical industry. Synthetical, as it synthesizes, combines various ingredients into a new product. To make cement, so many different ingredients are combined. And the next one is processing. Go through successive stages for manufacturing of finished product. To make one finished product, it has to pass out from so many stages, from different processes. For example, sugar, paper, etc. And the last one is assembling. Assembling में क्या होता है? Assembles different parts or components to make a new product. Assembles different parts or components to make a new product. For example, TV, car, computer, etc. And the last one is we have done primary, secondary, and the last is tertiary. Yes, tertiary are connected with providing support services to primary, secondary industry as well as activities relating to trade. Yes, I have told you earlier, tertiary industry is concerned with providing support services to primary industry, secondary industry as well as trading activities. As well as trading activities. Tertiary is this kind of support services to primary, secondary and trading activities. Am I clear? Okay, thank you.